ko na yan naman
Ito,
ako.
happy birthday. Ito yung cake ni Apple. October 10. Ayan, may date pa. Dahil, wait, pantay natin yung candle. Ayan, kasi kakantahan namin si Apple ng happy birthday. Kaya tama-tama naka-red siya ngayon.
Birthday.
Oo.
Later. Kompleto.
Kompleto ha. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Uy. O, sige na, kanta na. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Apple.
Thank you so much.
Okay, wish.
Alam nyo na yun.
Okay.
Kailangan i-push natin.
I-push natin yan. Okay. Okay. Yay! Ikaw na una maghiwa.
Walang tinatago.
Oo, ganun talaga. Mangyayari yan.
Secret na yun sa pag-ano.
Mangyayari yan. Baka yung nagbigay.
Wag naman.
Huwag naman. Nadali na. Ilang ka. Buha ka na ng sayo. Busog? Okay, bye for now. Kakain muna kami ng cake ha. Kasi enjoy muna namin ang cake. Babush!